Hello colleagues, today is the next day when I try to finish this table saw. One guy suggested me a name for it, Sawtainer. Very good, thank you. It will be name for this machine. Okay, my fence is ready, but I still don't like it. Why? As you can see in previous video, I tried to use eccentric mechanism and unsuccessfully, because it turned too bulky and inconvenient and works with cracking. I don't like it. This simple nut handle works well, but it's not interesting decision. Too simple. But it works. Don't ask me what are these holes. I don't know, maybe for some convenience. Or maybe all holes has some attraction, psychological attraction for men, I don't know. But here they are. This part, metal aluminium corner, very high. For me it's not convenient. I tried to make some system like I saw many cases on YouTube. It's a pretty standard thing. It's extrusion profile with something like that. I don't like this system because it took more place than I expect. But I can move this angle to center, make a cut here, and gain this place back. We'll see. Earlier I used this fence, 80mm thickness. It's much more convenient for small work pieces when you push your workpiece. Very high profile, it's not convenient with, I don't know how it works. I can remove it at all. And possible to work without all profiles, but it's still too high. Okay, I will think about it. Something will be rebuilt. One more point, why I don't like this fence system. It's some weakness, because I can to move it by finger. Just half of millimeter, but I don't know. My old system with 2 point of fixation was much more reliable. But it's portable, so I should to make something. Maybe need to take more thick material, more or aluminium. I will think about it also. And now I can show this easily adjustable scale. Now it's adjusted, but we can move it, readjust it. In this moment we can try adjust it again with this smaller piece. First you need to fix your fence in any point which will be convenient with your workpiece, for example. So I cannot to see a real size because I move my scale. Scale is not right position. We have no size. Okay, let's try. 58. And then don't change the position of fence and move your scale to 58 position. That's all, your scale is adjusted. Oh, I forget to show this table top. Just I can put it without any fixation. It's no need for it. It's just for make support for workpiece and fence. $45mm. This set. Later I will make some additional support, but 45 for portable, so I think quite enough. Okay, that's all about this fence for this moment. I will work with it and see in the process what I can change to make it better. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Good luck.